PT 1 examination. Let us see. Then what is the code? How to open the question paper? Ready? We'll inform you. All right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So need to plan to come to Madurai. Okay, your journey and everything you stop it time being, and don't apply the e-pass immediately. If it is not working out, don't worry about the e-pass. Next month they'll vacate the e-pass. Otherwise, also you show your hall ticket, you can travel anywhere. It should not happen. The second one, the first one, it should happen. What is it? Sitting at home, writing the exams. I think very few boys are very happy, no?
No,
Happy
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
It is
Yes,
happy.
sir.
Then we can appoint. We'll hire him.
Sir, we can write in computer, sir.
Exam. Yes or no? PT1 exam, boys, they done like that only, no? Or that said, mother, father, brother, sister, relative, strength. Okay? What is this answer? Some answer it will be there, some other. When you write 50 correct answer also,
Sir,
chances are there.
X
voice
is
is
1,
getting
so it
stuck,
becomes of y. What is
What,
it?
what?
Dash of commonly
Your
out
voice is
means
getting stuck,
when you
sir.
have class at that time.
Hello?
Voice is
Hello?
breaking, sir.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
In Amravati Nagar, that Ashok is telling in different reason, because we are recording also, no? So it is taking more space in the net, the recording facility. What did you study in the probability? What do you know about the probability? Hello?
Finding number of chances.
Number of favorable outcome by
Favorable
total number of
outcome.
Can
outcomes by
Outcome.
somebody
total
speak,
outcome.
yeah?
Sample
Somebody
space.
speak, because today I was speaking continuously 10-15 minutes, but that said no network. Then principal, he got that idea, then he called me, then I told him, like that, you speak with me. If you are not speaking, then I have to start from
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
no other way. Yes, yes. Now you speak, then you speak, yeah? You speak,
Okay, sir.
Okay.
you speak.
Sir, finding number of possible outcomes.
Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes, sir.
Like that, 52 cards are there. What is the probability of taking 4 as? 4 as. What is that one?
4 by 50.
4 by 52.
4 by 52.
1 by
Yes,
30.
there are
1 by 13.
2
1
red
by
color
13.
as.
Sir, we can stop recording, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, you can stop it.
Switch off your camera, sir.
Okay, it will take some time. Okay, now what happened? 2 red as. What is the answer?
2 by
1 by 1 by 23.
1 by
26.
23. Yeah.
26.
So these are the things we studied. There are 4 red color ball is there, and 6 blue color ball is there. What is the probability of taking 2 balls? And here also 2 events are there. one event already occurred. Another event. What is the probability for the another event? The two going to occur. Okay, that is called conditional. Tell me what is the name?
Conditional probability.
இருக்கீங்களா இல்லையாடா ஒருத்தனா ஜெரா ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுங்கடா. Conditional probability. What is the meaning of conditional probability? Mean there is some condition is given. Okay. Conditional probability. This is the 12th class syllabus. What conditional probability? Third. Okay. Another event is going to occur. Write the definition. Everybody write the definition. Write the definition. Let A and B. Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let A and now it's better than previous one.
Now it is better.
Yes,
A
sir.
and
Now
B.
it is okay.
Yes, now it's okay. No? Let A and B be two events associated with the sample space. Associated then the probability of occurrence of the event B has already occurred. Already occurred is called the conditional probability of A given that it is written by totally how many events are there?
Two.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Two, sir.
2, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
பேசுங்கடா திரும்ப திரும்ப
Sir,
சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
we are
How many
speaking,
events
sir.
occurred? Okay. How many events occurred?
2, sir.
Two.
Two events are there. Two events are there. How many event occurred? I'm asking.
1, sir.
One. Which is occurred as per this definition?
B, sir.
B.
So how to write no? P of A bar B. N of A intersection B divided by N of B. This is the formula.
Can you repeat the definition?
A and B be two events. Okay, with the sample space S. Then the probability of occurrence of the event A when event B has already occurred. ஒரு sample space இருக்கு. அதுல 2 ஈவென்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. To the definition is n of a intersection b divided by n of b. When I'll solve the problem, you'll understand. Okay, now this is the definition. I cannot explain more than the definition like this. You understand the one thing? One sample space is there. One space sample space. Okay, I'll come to the example. I don't want, but anyway, since you are asking, I'll give the example. This is my first problem also. Here, the A is called the even number. What are the even number from the sample space?
2, 4, 6.
2, 4, 6.
2, 4,
B.
6.
Yes. What are the prime number from this one?
1, 2, 3,
2,
4,
3, 5. 2, 3, 5.
2,
3, 5.
3, 5.
3, 5. This is even number. Here, this is the prime number. Out of this one event is already occurred. Now let us take the prime number event is already occurred. Then what is the question of the even number? This is the question. So this is called B. That B we have to write like this. P of A by B equal to n of A intersection B divided by n of B. This definition you tell me, n of B means what is the meaning?
Probability of B. Number of elements in the
occurring
So
in
what happened to the B? What happened to the B? What happened to this B? No, not this question here. That's why I don't want to give this example. What is the meaning of this B, n of B?
number of elements in the
number of occurred elements.
Okay. That is the correct answer. So here the event already occurred. One way we can tell this is given in the problem. Okay. Now how to write this? P of B bar A. Tell me.
A intersection
N
B
of A intersection B by N of A.
N of n intersection B by
by N of B.
Divided by n of
A.
n of A.
A.
That's all. Now understood how to write the definitions? Okay. Now we can write some more properties you write. Some more property you write. Suppose E and F be event of the sample space S, then right. Right, number 3. Let E and F be event sample space S, then write the property P of S bar F equal to 1. Write the property. When the problem will come, I'll tell you why it is like this. Right. The fourth one. If A and B are any two events of a sample space S, and F is an event of S, such that that probability is not equal to 0, then this is the formula P of what is this F here?
Occurred event.
Occurred event.
Yes. அப்ப இதுல 3 ஈவென்ட் வருது. Next problem. இது எப்படி எழுதுறது? P of A bar 11th கிளாஸ்ல படிச்சிருப்ப.
1 minus P of A. P of A.
1 minus P of A.
Because event happen will not happen equal to 1. ஆம்பளை பிள்ளை பிறக்குமா பொம்பளை பிள்ளை பிறக்குமா ரெண்டு ஈக்குவல் டு 1. ஒரு ஈவெண்ட் தான். பிறந்தா ஆம்பளை பிள்ளை பிறக்கும் இல்லைன்னா பொம்பளை பிள்ளை பிறக்கும். அதனாலதான் பிறக்கிறதும் பிறக்காததும் ஆம்பளை பிளஸ் பொம்பளை equal to 1. 1 event only. Okay. The last formula. P of A dash by B yes, that's all. My formulas are over. Write all the formulas ready. Shall I go to next page? Shall I go to next
Yes,
page?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to give the problem. Your UPSC also having this type of problem. Problem number 1. If P of A bar equal to 0.6, P of B equal to 0.7, P of B bar A equal to 0.4. Find do the problem. I'll give you 2 minutes. Whatever you know the problem, as per that formula, you do it. Anybody got the answer? No one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we have to find the value of P of A bar B. What is this formula?
P of A
P of A.
divided by P of B.
N of B.
Divided by P
P
of
of
B.
B.
Sorry, N. From this one, which one you know?
N of B.
N of B.
Now, how to find N of A intersection B?
1 minus P of A
When
equal to
Yes,
P
P
P
of
of A will come out.
From B.
what is the value of B of A?
P of A is equal to 1 minus P of B.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir. 0.4.
Yes or no?
0.4. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. What is the value for P of A?
0.4.
0.4.
0.4.
4.4.
What is given? P of B bar A is given. What is this answer? You tell me.
N of A intersection B
P of
divided
A
by
intersection B.
B
Ah.
divided by
P of
N of
B.
A.
I'm writing N of
N of
N of
A.
N of A.
N of B.
N of. If you don't know, you
N
ask
of
me.
A.
Not N of B. N of A. If you don't know, ask me immediately. What is the probability of B bar A?
0.4.
Given.
0.4.
Yes. This one I have to find N of A intersection B. We have to find out. Divided by. What is N of A?
0.4.
0.4.
Huh?
0.7.
0.4.
0.4. So you can write N of or P of, give the same meaning only. Okay. Yes. P of A dana. P of A how much? 0.4. Now we can find what is probability of A intersection B. How much?
1.6.
1.6.
0.16.
0.1.
0.16.
0.1.
Medhavi. 0.16. நீ சொல்றது கேட்டு நான் எழுது நம்பர். P of A intersection B equal to 0.16. Now we can find the answer from this one. P of
0.16 by 0.4.
is equal to 0.16 divided by
0.70.
0. How much?
Sir, 0.7. Yeah, 0.7, sir.
0.7. Okay. Yes. What is the answer? 0.228. Okay. Enough. Stop it. So we got one answer. Next answer. What is P of
A union B.
what is the formula of N of A union B?
N of
N of
A
B.
plus N of B into minus N of A intersection.
A intersection.
Intersection B.
Yes. Now you can write the answer. 0.6. Sorry. N of P of A equal to 0.4.
0.4. sir.
Can be how much?
0.7.
0.7.
Did you see this type of problem in the UPSC book, Pathfinder?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Yes. So
Yes,
you
sir.
have to buy out the formulas. You have to buy out the formulas. Then we can solve any type of problem. So practice today onwards. I don't know enough time. Yeah, I need some time, but always Mr. Ankur Pandey is taking the class. Then evening, these classes are there. JT and this one. Okay, right. A die is rolled. A die is rolled. If the outcomes is an even number, what is the probability if the outcome is an even number? What is the probability that it is a prime number? Outcome is an even number.
1/6.
1/6.
1/3.
1/6.
1/3.
Outcome is a even number. What is the probability that it is a prime number?
1/3.
Yes. So first of all, you write the
1/3.
sample space. Okay. But I have to teach to everybody, no? Okay. So what is the sample space?
1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
Outcome is an even number. So the event already occurred. முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. இது given. என்னது even number இதுல சொல்லுங்க நீங்க?
2, 4, 6.
Then what is the value for B prime number?
2.
2, sir.
3. 5.
From the sample space you have to tell. Okay, now what is that A intersection B?
1/2.
2.
Now we can write the probability. What is a P of A?
3/6.
3/6. That means N of A 3/6 equal to 1/2. What is the probability of B? You tell me.
1/2.
1/2.
1/2.
1/2.
1/2.
Next, what is the probability of A intersection B?
1/6.
1/6. Because only one event happens. 2. So 1/6. Now what is the question? What you have to find? P of
Prime number.
question எப்படி எழுதுறது?
B.
P of B by A. Because I written very clearly A is even already occurred. So B. Now you write the formula for this one.
P of A intersection.
N of A intersection
N of
B
A
by
intersection B or
N of
probability
A.
of A intersection B.
P of A.
P of A.
Disconnected.
Muttu informs sir.
ਗੱਡੀ ਲੈਂਬਗੀਨੀ ਪੀਲੇ ਰੰਗ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਚਲਾਵੇ ਸਲੋਲੀ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਗੇਰ ਤੇ
மெத்தட் மான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Give me the one and only. Ay, ay, bichare munde.
It's okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Problem. Okay. Now is
Yes,
P
sir.
of B bar A equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of A equal to 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 2. Then simplification, the answer is 1 by 3 is the correct answer. This is the probability of the event already occurred. Now you take again your Rangpur Pandey class.
Today evening.
6 o'clock, sir.
After this also.
So are you free
From
now?
12. Yes, sir.
12 o'clock class starting.
To 1:30.
முழுங்கி பேசுறீங்க. 12 o'clock என்னதுடா?
From 12 o'clock, Ankur Pandey class starts.
12 o'clock Group India class start. Okay. I'll take 10-15 minutes. Then again I'll come back at 11:30. நான் எங்களுக்கு டீ பிரேக் டைம் இப்போ ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள் டேஜிஸ்ட் நான் பேச வேண்டியது இருக்கு. இந்த டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் அனுப்புற விஷயமா. உங்க டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் கேட்டிருக்கீங்களா யாராவது வேணும்னு?
Yes, sir.
Anybody ask? Yes. That one I want to discuss with the teachers. It is ready. Monday we are going to send. But everyone you send to the Google form. I'll wind up after this problem. Then again you come and join at 11:30. That is the problem. A pair of die is rolled. A pair of die is rolled. Find P of A bar B. ஏங்கிறது என்னன்னு பாரு. 2 appears a die of a pair of die is rolled. Find P of A bar B. 2 appears on at least one die. At least one die. B. Sum of number appearing on die is 8. Sum of appearing the die is 8. What is the answer? A die is thrown. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Again one more die is thrown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total is 36. That means number of sample space. Are you here on the line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what is A? What is A? 2 appears.
2 appears.
On at least once. What are the cases will be there?
1,2.
1,2.
2,2.
1,2 ஆரம்பிக்குமா? Okay, அப்போ 1,2.
1, 2, 2,
2,
1,
2,
2, 3,
4,
2,
2,
1.
5, 2, 6, 2. அடுத்து எப்படி இருக்கும்?
2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3.
2, 1.
2,
2,
2, இருக்குல்ல ஏற்கனவே.
3, 2, 4, 2, 5.
2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. So
2,
totally
6.
how many then? How many then? P of A, N of A?
11.
11, sir.
Now you tell me what is N of B? What is B? Total appearing is 8. 8. What are the chances are there? Getting answer is 8.
2,6.
2, 6.
2,6.
3,
4.
3, 5.
4, 4.
4, 4.
5, 3.
5, 3.
5, 3.
5, 3.
6, 2.
6, 2.
6, 2.
6, 2.
That's all.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
How many then? How many?
5
5, sir.
Then you can write what is the probability of A. What is the probability of A?
11 by 30.
11 by 30.
11 by 36.
1 by 36.
11 by 36.
Then what is the probability of B?
5 by 36.
5 by 6.
Then what is A intersection B?
2 by 36.
A intersection B சொல்லுங்க.
1 by 36.
2 by 36.
6 to
2 by 36.
6 to
2 6.
வேற என்ன இருக்கு?
2 6.
2 6.
2,6.
2 6 எங்க இருக்கு? ஆமா இங்க 2 6 இருக்கு. அப்ப காமன் எத்தனை இருக்கு?
2.
2.
அப்போ what is the probability of
A intersection B.
2 by
36, sir.
36.
tell the answer. Probability of A bar B.
2 by 36.
2 by 36.
2 by 11.
No.
2 by 5. 2 by
2 by 5.
2 by 5, sir.
2 by 5 is the correct answer. 2 by 5 is the correct answer because divided by probability. P of A intersection B எவ்வளவு வருது?
2 by 36.
2 by 36.
By 5 by 36.
5 by 36.
Equal to 2 by 5.
5.
Correct, no? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So 15 minutes break. Again, you come back at 11:30. Okay? I'll give break now itself.
Yes, sir.
So I'll speak with the teachers and I'll come back.